great day today. I'd like to talk a little bit about demo rides, because we do have some demo rides coming up. On Friday, I'll be riding, hopefully I'll be riding the Victory Octane, their new muscle cruiser. I had, when the Pikes Peak bike came out, the 156, I had a lot of high hopes for what Victory was planning, and I was hoping for more of a standard bike than what ended up coming out with. The Octane is a little bit more V-Rod-ish than, let's say, the Ducati X Diablo or Diablo are. I was hoping it would be closer to that. A better hybrid of a sport bike and a cruiser versus this being a muscle cruiser. But I'm still very intrigued and looking forward to riding it. So that'll be Friday, and then the following Friday is when I'm going to do all the demo rides at Phoenix Bike Fest. So looking forward to that as well. But I wanted to talk a little bit about demo rides and riding in groups. I know it can be nerve-wracking to ride with people you've never ridden before. When you go to group rides that where you're meeting people you've never met before, and you're having to figure out everyone's riding style, that type of thing. That can be nerve-wracking in and of itself, but you combine that with everyone being on bikes they've never been on before, and it can be less than pleasant, and sometimes less than safe. So for one thing, if you're going to do a demo ride, make sure you're full confident enough to be able to ride the motorcycle. You don't want to get on anything that's going to scare you. Secondly, make sure you have all your adjustments, mirrors, and everything adjusted before the ride pulls out of the lot. And then you might want to give everyone a little extra space, especially going through corners or intersections. You just don't know how proficient everyone is, or how proficient they may not be in riding. And the thing that amazes me, baffles me, makes the mind wobble, is that people can't seem to keep a standardized stagger. So, whenever you're riding in a group, especially demo rides, we always talk about riding in staggered formation. That means if I'm here in the right side of the lane, the person in front of me and behind me should be over here in the left side of the lane, and it should alternate back and forth. There should never be two people that are in the same line without someone in between them who's in the opposite line. And the stagger gets messed up. It always does. Someone ends up passing someone else. If the stagger gets messed up, then move up and fix the stagger, or shift over and to the opposite side of the lane to fix the stagger. It's really easy. The lead rider of the demo ride, almost always, I haven't had a ride where they weren't, but are almost always in the left side of the lane over here. That means the second person in line should be in the right hand side of the lane over here, and the third person in the line should be over here, and so on and so forth. Keep your stagger. It's not hard. And don't be messing with the electronics of the bike. I'm guilty of that. When I rode the X Diablo, it took me a little bit to figure out how to get it out of touring mode and into sport mode. So, guilty. Pay attention and just ride safe. I would say you want to ride with some extra caution, because you're on a bike you've probably never been on before. Yes, we all want to see how well it accelerates. We want to see how well it corners. But sometimes you just got to deal with what you're dealt as far as what the route is for the demo ride. You know, be cognizant of that. Watch out for other people. Don't do anything crazy. And try your best to keep the stagger. I don't know why that bothers me so much. I'm not really OCD, but that's something that sparks those tendencies that we lie deep within. So again, please be careful out on your demo rides. Keep that stagger. Make sure everything's set up before you leave the lot. I'll be posting up videos of the Octane and all the bikes I ride next week. I'm really looking forward to it. It's some of my favorite times of the year as far as getting to ride motorcycles I didn't have to buy. So until then, everyone have a safe time. Do good things, have fun, and no death today.